Third.
Espérate, ¿cómo es? February?
February
Third.
3rd.
Third?
Third.
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 Today is February 3rd and it's my birthday. Yay!
Today is February 3rd.
Good morning. It's February 8th, I think. I don't know. I'm going to have brunch with my aunt and we're gonna celebrate my birthday. I didn't see her on my birthday, so we're gonna celebrate now. So we're gonna have some brunch. So I wanted to show you that I bought a course on Udemy. It's about digital marketing. Now I wanted to do this for a long time, but I forgot that Udemy was a great resource for this kind of stuff. And I found a code for a $10.99 course. It was $199 originally, and I paid $10.99 for it, and I think it will be awesome for my business. So I'm gonna give it a try and I'll let you guys know if it's worth it or if I learned something from it, hopefully, right? Oh my goodness, I just scheduled a class on Michael's. Okay, let me explain. I'm so excited that I'm not even thinking. So I was contacted by Michael's to see if I wanted to teach at one of their locations as a independent contractor, and yeah, I mean, yes, and this is something that I've been working on for some time now, but I wasn't able to schedule the class correctly. I don't know, they didn't have the available dates, and it was a mess. So right now I just scheduled my first class for how to make a rainbow cake with polymer clay, my famous rainbow cake right here. And it's gonna be February 15, 6 p.m. Dateland Station. Yes, I'm so excited. Look at me. Here's the, if you live in Miami, here's the address. And I hope to see you there. Yay!
To send this to my friends. I'm going to go to the post office right now.
Okay guys, so my aunt gave me, and she's right over there, the blonde one. This is my sister. She don't like that picture, so I can't show it. Anyway, so my aunt gave me this beautiful flower arrangement for my birthday. She made it herself and it's so beautiful. I love the color combinations. And look at this flower, look at this, it's so different. but it had two. They were stiffer. Now they're kind of dying, but the other one was dying already, and I decided to this looks like a crime scene or something. So she was dying, and I just cut the flowers, and now I'm going to press them. In this book, I already did it with a couple of the green stems right here, and I'm planning to use this for a video tutorial for a resin necklace. So I've never done this before. I hope it works. So I'm just gonna press them with the book, and then I'm gonna wait for them to dry up so I can use them. I have a video tutorial for an open vessel technique where I use this one. This is a teardrop, and it doesn't have a back or anything, and I'm gonna show you how to put the flowers in it and then how to use the resin. But yeah, I was just planning where to put the flowers and stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna put them in the book and smash them and wait for them to dry so I can use them for a video. And yes, I'm a little bit sick. I've been like this for a week. Like, my body's been fighting something, and when I wake up, sometimes I feel good and sometimes I feel bad, and today is the worst. Like, today I woke up and it's like I'm sick. Now I'm sick. Yeah, so yeah. So I'm making some coffee today. I don't make coffee all the time, but sometimes I like to have a coffee with a little bit of chocolate, maybe like a mocha. In this case, I'm using dandelion chocolate this is from California, San Francisco. My best friend bought it for me, and I love it. I just add a little bit of the chocolate in my cup, and then I add the coffee that I have brewing right over here. And then I have my frother here. So I'm taking a break to eat this delicious frittata that I made. Oh my goodness, okay, I zoomed it too much. So it has some ham, some onions, some green peppers and tomatoes, and I was totally inspired by my friend that she made a frittata at my birthday party, and it was awesome, and I was craving for it, so here it is.